Reading a magazine article. Before you read, look at the photograph and heading of the magazine article on page 185. Use them to answer these questions. What special event will take place? Can you guess? Yes, it says celebrate the summer festival. Where did we find that? We found that just below the title, in a short introduction about the article. B. Name something that will happen there. So if we look at the picture that says popular band, what do you think will happen? Yes, there will definitely be music and there will be bands performing. Scan the article. Match the letters A, B, C, D and E to the descriptions below. Okay, so grade 6s, as you look at the article, there will be capital letters on the left hand side. A, B, C, D and E. As I'm reading the description, we have to choose which capital letter fits. The first one. The heading is the biggest letters and it is often in color. It must be interesting, so people will want to read the article. What letter? Yes, that's A. The first paragraph is often in color and in bigger letters than the rest of the article. It tells us quickly what the article is about. It also tells us who wrote the article. Which letter? Yes, that's letter B. But unfortunately, this article does not have an author. It just says a website at the bottom. Here is an example of direct speech. Okay, so where's the example of direct speech? Quickly look for the quotation marks. Number D. Yes. Photographs are often in color. They must have captions. So that's number E. Okay, a caption, grade 6 is, dis 'n byskrif. So gewoonlik as daar 'n foto in 'n nuusartikel is, dan moet daar 'n byskrif wees. As daar mense in die foto is, baie keer vir skool en die Tygerberger, dan moet ons julle name ook gee. En baie keer moet jy ook sê wie het eintlik daai foto geneem. So you actually have to say this photo was taken by and then someone's name must be there. Last one, the next paragraph gives you more information. The first letter of the first word is often in color and bigger than the rest of the letters. Okay, so where's the letter bigger than the rest of the letter? That's at number C, the festival. So that just shows you the article is actually starting now. While you read, think of the information you have just read. Okay, so we talked about the heading, we talked about the photo, we talked about the introductory paragraphs, and then we talked about direct speech, and then obviously the start of the article starting with a big capital letter. You have now read the story and you must answer the questions. You would have probably seen in the lesson planning you only have to answer question 1 and question 2. Question 1, find the following information in the article. So grade 6s, if you find the information, you simply rewrite it in your books. Number A, the dates of the festival. So when is this festival taking place? B, where it takes place. So please write where. The people need to go if they want to go to this festival. C, the times. So at what time will this festival take place? What it costs. So what will it cost for us to enter the festival? And E, who is welcome. So who is allowed to come to this festival? You don't have to write in full sentences. You can simply give me the information. Then at number 2, they ask you to copy and complete the mind map below. Use your mind map to discuss what will happen at the festival. So we're not going to discuss, you're just going to complete this mind map. It's got 2 labels, new events, regular events. So at this festival, there will be 2. How do you know 2? There's 2 lines. So you will write 2 new events that will take place, and then there will be 3 of the regular events. So that's why there's 2 lines and 3 lines. So you simply give me the 2 events, and here you give the 3 regular events. and then you are done.